Okay, the tools that we've used as a beginning, we have sanders, we have sandpaper, I have a chisel, we have a trowel, we have a small paint roller, a pail. Those are the typical things. Not absolutely necessary but very useful is a shop vac, which in this case I have attached to one of the sanders, which helps keep things clean. As far as what we have done in preparation, this countertop originally had square edges all the way around it, and the backsplash came down at 90 degrees to a square corner at the onto the counter. To begin with the front square edge, we have done a shoe molding that has a round over on it. That will prevent the sharp edge in the DecoPoz. And of course, anything that you put on is more vulnerable on a sharp edge. We did the same thing on the top of the backsplash. We put a piece up there that rounds over, and what that will do is help us be able to keep that cleaner once the DecoPoz is complete. In the far corner, where we had a 90-degree angle, we put in a rounded piece to, again, make that transition smoother and to prevent areas where it could catch dirt and things of that sort. It will also allow us to have a more modern look to it. Where the backsplash attached to the countertop, as I said, that was a 90-degree sharp angle. I have coved that with a auto body filler and sanded it lightly just to take off any high spots onto it. What that's going to allow us to do is have a much more cleanable surface area there because there won't be stuff getting cracked or stuck in a crack or back in that area. So after that, we have started to lightly sand with an 80 grit or 60 grit sandpaper. What this does is put some micro scratches in it. It still feels smooth, but it puts some micro scratches in it that you can see, and those micro scratches will assist the DecoPoz in its first coat of bonding. Once that's on, you don't have to have a problem with that. It won't bond, or it will bond very, very tightly. DecoPoz, by the way, is twice as hard as concrete. It's about 6,000 psi. And once it's on there, you can hit it with a hammer, it won't crack, and it will be a permanent member of this countertop. Also during this phase, we will be removing our sink. We're going to replace that sink with a little bit more modern stainless steel sink that will look a little better and become much more functional for us. So that's the things that we've done in phase 2. And we will go ahead and get this finished, and then we'll start phase 3, which will be the application of the DecoPoz.